Come take one life jacket. Nah. I can.
So if you're gonna go out in the deep water,
Yep.
I want you to wear. You a good swimmer or no?
I can help myself, but I don't want to.
Then if you're gonna go out in the deep water, like where those people are,
Yeah.
I want you to wear a life jacket.
Yeah,
okay?
I will wear it.
Oh, you want to use a GoPro?
Yep.
Is it waterproof?
Yeah.
Okay. You should try to stand up, okay?
This one?
Yeah, I'll show you.
All right.
Just stand up and you can start to paddle like this. But that's dangerous because if you fall back and hit your head, so you just hold the top.
Oh god, I'm gonna say this coming on the floor.
If you want to turn,
I'm not sure if this coming on the floor.
You're gonna fall off?
you're gonna fall off. You're gonna fall off. Mark says, our neighbor says you're gonna fall too. So everybody usually lines up on the shore to watch the new people. I'm playing with you, Mario.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Mario first.
So take your sandals off. Bring down the other paddleboard.
Yeah, the first.
So you're both doing it at the same time so you can laugh at each other. Okay? Maybe Mario.
Yeah, go first.
Come on, boy, me I go first.
So get one of the blue and white ones, Davis. So you just have to watch the edge of the board and the pipes. So just put it in the water.
Is the water cold?
I want to push you.
Oh shoot! The water is cold.
What?
The water is cold, man.
Where my feet are, Mario. Where my feet are. Like this. That's good there.
Okay.
So now bring one leg up at a time. One leg up.
Woo.
Bring it up. There. Yeah. Slow now. Bring the other leg up. Keep down low. Now hold on to the paddle as you step up. Go out. So if you fall, you won't hit your head on any rock.
Ah.
And if you look at each other, you're probably going to laugh and fall. So Mario, or Memphis, walk around and get in the water.
You want me to fall too?
Oh. Come in, Memphis.
My feet are in the water.
Oh my gosh.
It's not cold.
Yeah?
Yeah. Lake Ontario would be colder.
I haven't been in it.
I'm just telling you. You haven't gone in yet. That's very good, Memphis. Yeah, how'd I turn? Yeah, just paddle. Hit him on the nose.
Nah.
Boy, I can't turn on this.
Oh shit, the water cold. Woo. No, yeah, you want that cool? Shit. No, sir. Well, I'm on this.
Yeah, I tried turning. Oh god.
It's your turn now. Look at your turn. It's your turn. Go so. Then you go far. Where you want to lie down for? How are you doing, Vibez? Come on, time something. Turn. Where you going, Mr. Gano? What you man? Why you going next one? Why you not put on a life jacket?
I don't need to.
Ah, okay.
I'm not going on there.
Woo!
Ew. Oh, it's clay.
Come, Faith, come on this.
No, I don't want.
Faith, come now.
No.
Come on.
No.
I'm good. Yes, Memphis. Memphis, what a broadside now. Hey. You can't control your Memphis.
That look like I want.
Life first, Joy.
Oh, it look like I want fish sandwich back money.
Fish now go stay so.
Some flying fish that was so far.
Are you ready for your race?
After having a thing about lose,
Oh, you don't use. You don't know if you turn it and balance yourself. You can't steer. Eh? Huh? At least the vest keep me warm.
I know me actually not feel cold. I love my foot them look
Me not cool.
crap.
Come on this way, sir. Come on, mine.
Oh, the CD over here is worse.
Come, me a pro.
Seriously, you could come in like this.
You have to step off and lift the board up.
Watch me around it.
Just again, it's stuck in the sand.
Come, Risa.
You have to lift the board up because the sand is stuck in the sand.
Walk in the water and come, Risa. Come off and come.
God, it's not cold.
You're on? Sit down now.
Okay, hang on.
No.
No, I'm not coming.
Don't make me.
Memphis can't catch up. Memphis can't catch up back.
Bait, come on it. We're going to bait. Is it deep?
Don't jump off it.
No, you can't even ride it.
Huh?
You have it going?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh!
Memphis, come with me.
No.
So, so there's a we can come out and do ice fishing.
Huh?
Ice fishing.
When Memphis, my the water cool. Yeah, no, me book here Jamaica here.
You're gonna fall.
Whoa!
No. I want to go swimming with Faye.
Come on, jump
I
off.
can't.
Oh, come get you.
Yeah, fast. Actually, this I hold my back. Yo, man, please reach up on me, man. Hello, you jump off in there, no?
Watch it, careful, follow cars. Watch your rider. Now watch your hand.
I don't want to get my hair wet. I didn't have anything to comb it.
No.
Water. Not on the board. Get in.
Wow. Memphis, eh?
Get in the water and you can get on the board.
Look how feet are sinking, heavy. Yes, sir. Hey, dog, I wonder if you want to war. Memphis, what
You guys ready?
Yeah?
You ready? Jump in.
I'm on the back.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ready, babe?
Daddy!
First time.
Did you go on this before, Mario?
No.
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 Have you been on one before?
No.
So it's just, are you used to riding a motorcycle?
Yeah, I ride a motorcycle.
Are you good at riding a motorcycle?
Yeah.
How good?
Hmm?
How good?
I can ride. I can help myself.
What are you holding on to me for?
Oh shit! Oh, Doug, this is quick, eh?
Quick stop.
How fast did you go?
Oh, here, start.
Can I come on?
Hey,
Are you gonna go?
this thing is fast, eh?
Daddy, can you bring me?
I love it.
I knew you would love it.
Ooh.
And look, we're
Can I
back home
come?
when I always say, let's go on one. You never wanted to go on one.
Wait, come on!
No, just one.
Three can go.
Fine.
She can go?
Yeah, three can.
Come on, Faith.
Memphis, are you going?
But you move just a little forward.
Hurry up! They're going on that thingamajigger.
Shinika could go, but if she puts on a life jacket.
Shanika, you wanna go?
Do you see I have on clothes?
No, you're not gonna get wet.
No, I'm gonna get wet.
You need not.
That's why Mr. Ruggs said you should Memphis is coming.
Memphis, hurry up!
I didn't get wet.
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump on.
Holy smoke.
I'm scared.
So remember what I said. Don't go past that boathouse.
Yeah, and down there.
See those people?
Yeah.
Don't go past them. You have to constantly be watching for people.
Let's go.
Come
Come on,
on!
Memphis.
Yeah, it takes
Vamos!
3 minutes.
Vamos!
Come.
But I think you should be behind Mark.
The driver.
Well, then you go. I'll take
I'm
him.
fine. You guys go.
I'm scared.
Hang on, Risa, hang on. I'm scared.
You ready, Risa?
No. No, no.
Just hold on.
No, come on.
Just hold on me, yeah? Alright? Just hold on me, yeah? Don't let go. Here? You good?
Yeah. The on.
Alright? Hold on and don't let go.
Are you coming in or out?
You gonna come in?
Yeah, I want to take Memphis.
Okay, do another circle. Like just turn the steering wheel. Straighten it a bit. Just straight. You're gonna go that way.
Jump off now.
Okay. Turn it hard. Turn it off. Turn it hard. Turn it off. Okay. Good. So,
Jump up.
Come. I think Memphis
just wait. Just wait. Okay, Memphis.
Come Memphis.
Go. It's so much fun.
So Memphis,
We should go
you-
on. It's really
listen.
fun.
If you hold on to his straps and you fall, he'll fall. If you don't hold on to his straps, you'll fall and he'll stay on.
So hold on to my straps. Yeah?
That's what I did because I was scared.
What do you mean by a strap?
Just hold on. Span them here.
Yeah, hold tight.
That's
Put
what
your
I
hand
did.
through. No. Hold on to the strap. Put your hands through the strap. Like this. Yeah, like that. Like that. Hard. Hard. Yeah, like that. Hold on to the strap. Damn, got it.
Bye-bye.
You can't turn Bamba can you go from corner?
Yeah.
Wala na. You good? Your turn. Come on.
Make dog take her.
No, Doug, yo, Doug. You think Doug, Doug rebel with me? Yo.
Oh God.
Might have to circle again.
Circle again?
Get out right from that.
Come on, just push me on.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
What? I got wet up, bitch. Just look, I have
Yo,
a
you're not that
and
wet.
he's wet. Wait a minute, look at this.
You're not that wet. That's not that wet. It'll dry quick.
Yeah, actually where you sit. That's where you sit. That's what.
That's
hurt
where
your
I was
hand?
sitting.
Wipe your nose.
Wait, where'd Mr. Dare go?
Holy smoke, this thing can move.
Dad, can I come on again?
Huh?
Can I come on again?
Oh, you asked?
Yeah, dude, it's not. He
No.
doesn't take the book of boat out.
Because you have to hold on. I almost fell off. Because the last time the wave.
Hey, this guy here like in very
Why?
If you're not going
Yo.
on that, how can you go on with two?
dog
I
raving.
got on the tube.
I know, I seen you. I was like, I'm
Wait,
up
what's wrong?
I seen you like grab it.
Is the mascara running down?
Dog was like,
Go with you.
oh.
I'm like, I'm tears coming down my eye. I was like, I need something on my face.
Oh my god, look at my hand, look at my face.
That's why you have the goggles for.
Just my leg go.
We shall go with Mario. I don't want to go.
Yeah, but he wants you to go.
I don't want to go.
Why don't you go?
I mean, I want to go.
If he's going in so much,
It feels disgusting. It feels so disgusting.
stand up. I'm gonna do this.
No.
Wait, go, Finn. Let's go with Daddy.
It feels
disgusting.
There's no stairs on this side. You have to swim around to get out. Lift is Maddie.
Grab hold of there.
Yeah, but you just want to go. I don't.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, he does.
He's just not sure of it.
Now I'm extra wet.
Yeah, you feel gooey.
Come on, Morris.
You feel gooey. Ew,
Watch out
you
for
feel
that.
gooey.
That'll look
Yeah. You're shaking. This it? This it?
look at it.
Okay.
Now part that one. Off. Turn it off.
The water keeps getting up my nose.
Mom, you made me extra
Coming too
cold
fast?
by pushing. It's so cold.
They're shaking, dog.
I'm not taking over the
Oh. Come on, jump out.
Daddy.
I just asked who is shaking, like,
It was meant to look like it.
come dog, take it in.
Yeah, it's cold. It's part of you is dry and your bum's all wet.
Holy shit. Doug is a big rider.
Right standing up. You usually see them right sitting up. You're in for the boat experience? You're like, Can you go to the bathroom before we leave? Because we're gonna take a while, so you guys can use the bathroom.
I don't need a pee.
No, come and see if you need to go.
Okay.
Better to come and see because
Where are you guys going?
Me a freeze
we're
up.
on the boat. We're going out on the boat, so we're gonna.
I'm tubing, you know, I might pee. No, but you're going with them too?
Everybody's going. We're all going.
Oh.
So that's why I said come and use the bathroom.
Oh, I have me drop. Yo. Eh? Why me?
Yeah, we did.
The one dog almost give me a heart attack to blood cleat. Yo, me tell you say the man a river, you know, man, so you see down funny, you know? I'm a fool, everyone, yes.
I know I see it. Can you act like you're hold on, pal?
Hello. The man come like you want to fling me a fight.
Funny, Mario's like, where's the seatbelt? Here, babes.
What's wrong with you?
No, just you asking for a seatbelt in a boat. You make me laugh.
God. Mommy, what do you mean I'm here?
I can tell you have not been on a boat.
What is it?
You're crazy.
Your mom has a sweater. I brought. Okay, so here's an extra. If you get cold, so don't let these blow overboard, okay? If you get cold.
Okay.
What, Doug?
We'll keep our bubbles in there.
Now, ready?
No, I brought my pajama bottoms in case I got cold. You just never know.
This is not the first one to do.
Yeah, you guys stay out there. Nice.
That's why I tied my hair down. Otherwise, I come back and I can't comb my hair.
Why don't you go up front with your GoPro?
Go to the front?
Yeah, right
Yeah, I'm good. Why you want me to fall out?
Oh, you won't fall out.
Huh?
You fall out. Don't go back. Take your coat.
Huh?
Take your coat with you so you'll...
I'm not. I feel so nice and refreshed.
Take your life jacket on and put your coat.
My nail broke off. It broke off on the floor.
Then put this one. Give me that one when you're done.
Ah, it's so nice, right? It's so nice and warm.
It's so cold.
It's so warm, Mommy. It's so warm.
faith.
It's cold. It's cold. It's cold.
No, it's not.
You're in a sweater.
I should have put the flag.
Well, I got it. I can't.
There we go. That was it. Well, we have a lot of gas to throw away. And we have more in the tank, so.
That's light. There was light.
Okay, so our boat ride is finished.
I can see it over here without no mustard.
He gave you the hard way, man. Stand where he
Oh,
is.
that's why you want me. That's why you want me to do it that way.
Come, dude. Okay.
Larry, can you help me up?
Huh? Come do this.
Yeah, he thinks that water is his territory. He barks at people that come in.
Okay. Let's make a rule.
What's wrong with you, Memphis?
Listen, Mario, all wet all over again.
Yeah, thanks to dog.
Because all I heard was splash, and I looked and I see you in the water.
I saw you losing your balance. I thought you were going in. That's all. That's all while he was watching Memphis after pushing Memphis.
I should have known Doug was going to do something like
You
that.
knew it was coming.
Yeah.
You watched me. You were on guard. I could feel your body tension.
Yeah.
I just spilled it in my bottle away.
I was going to bring him with me, but I let him go.
So you said it's like reading it.
No.
It's okay. It's okay. I deserve it.
I was waiting for him to grab onto your shirt and you go in too.
He had over me.
Yeah, I let him
He
go.
wasn't sure what to do. Shall I pull this old guy in or not?
Perché abbiamo fatto? Why are you chilling me?
Come here.
You got a little more left.
Oh, I ain't rushing it. The end of the summer for the kids because they go back to school. Oh, that's where you put them?
Just to dry in the sun, sometimes on the rock.
These ones are dry.
He's dry?
Yeah, these are dry.
I'll put them inside.
Here. This one's dry. See, these are one over. I didn't know where to put it, so I put it there.
Full of life jacket though. Yeah, full of life jacket. Yeah,
Flies, eh?
when you're having fun, eh?
The only time doesn't fly is when you're working and you're not happy with your job. Or doing something you don't love.
Work is work. No matter what you say, work is work.
Mm-hmm.
I always say in life, do something that you love so it doesn't consider as work. You're working, but you love doing it. So
What percentage of people that have that?
slim to none.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go on. It empty.
I'm good child. I'm good child.
Hey, dog, this is bad. Dog, this is bad. Dog, dog got to go big gun and that way. Here you go, girl. Remember the number one?
What the heck? Watch out, watch out!
Watch it, wait, watch it, wait. Bust him off like a rock. Ah, I'm busting for it now.
With the all and our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.